effect pattern 27. The question is, which paragraph should be categorized as the attribute described in the standard as condition? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of these paragraph is condition? Yes.
That's the actual state, the fact,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I'll go to paragraph 3.
Which is revealed because of implementation of audit procedures or engagement procedures, through observation, through discussion, any of those procedures, or which is currently prevalent condition in the client's location, right? And by the way, we can discuss other paragraphs. What are those paragraphs? For example, criteria, cause and effect, right?
Yeah, it's 3.
Okay, so paragraph 3 is
Paragraph 2, I think.
paragraph 2 is condition. Okay. The production department produces an average of 25 units per work order per shift. The members of the production department have become completely comfortable with the state-of-the-art technology over the past year and a half. As a result, the production department. So, in all of these, you have to concentrate on the sentence structure, then it will be easier for you to identify what is criteria, cause and effect. Okay. First of all, if you see here, the production department produces, this is present tense, right? Means this is currently happening. This is the present state. An average of 25 units per work order per shift, the defect rate is 1%. So according to me, paragraph 3 is condition. Okay. Let's see what is the answer. And how I reached it, I have discussed. Charlie, paragraph 3, right? Charlie is the correct answer, which is condition. What is paragraph 2? Paragraph 2, there is a clear clue in paragraph 2, which is as a result, where we use this word and when we use this word.
When you do an observation.
When something has happened.
No. When we use this phrase as a result, what does this signify? What does this tell us?
It is effect, so it's the result of that.
Okay.
Yeah, I was thinking effect.
Effect, okay. The members of the production department have become completely comfortable with the state-of-the-art technology over the past year and a half. As a result, the production department has become an industry leader in production efficiency and effectiveness.
I go for the effect. I cannot come with a cause.
Okay, what about paragraph 1? Before going to the answers, the production department has the newest production equipment available because of a fire that required the replacement of all equipment.
I think it's effect.
Okay. For you, paragraph 1 is effect and paragraph 2 is what? Cause or effect?
Cause.
Paragraph 2 is cause.
And 4 is criteria.
Okay. Everyone else, please tell me your answers too.
You said you want to know whether 1 is a cause or an effect?
Yes, you have to tell about paragraph 1, 2 and 4. 3 we already discussed that this is a condition.
I think 1 is a cause.
Mm-hmm.
2 could be, I'm thinking it's an effect because as a result of.
Mm-hmm.
And you said you want 4 as well?
Yes, what is 4?
I think that's a criteria. I could be wrong, but...
No problem, you can discuss. So, let's see. Condition is defined as factual evidence that the internal auditor found in the course of examination or the current state. Paragraph 3 describes the actual productivity of the firm. Why? Because it is producing currently. The produces word is here, which is clue. Okay. So, paragraph 3 is condition. What about 1? Paragraph 1 states the cause attribute. The biggest clue in paragraph 1 is because. Because is a word which is used to state reason. Got it?
It's the reason, yeah, it's the reason for the difference.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the reason. Reason mean cause.
I know, but it was because was in another one, and it wasn't. It wasn't the cause.
It's a bit confusing, Anna, cause and effect.
Yes, cause and effect is always confusing, but that's why we are discussing. When someone gives, when there is a reason or the word because or similar, The production department has the newest production equipment available because of a fire. Why the production department has a new equipment? This is the reason.
Because of that reason.
Yeah, because of that reason, and the reason is there was a fire and all the equipment was burnt down. That's why there is a new equipment. So this is the cause. Got it? Now paragraph 2. As a result of, due to this, and all such synonyms or words, these are used for effect attribute. As a result, the production department has industry. Due to this thing, all of these synonyms or words signifies effect. And industry average, which is a standard or a policy or a guideline. So all of these things will be criteria. Got it? So industry average is what? Industry average is a standard, which means it is a criteria. Got it?
Yes, Hamad.
Yes.
Okay, we will do another question related to this thing. Hopefully after that it will be much clear. Yes, this question number 28.
Okay, Hamad, since you mentioned procedures there, I'm going to go with E alpha, if I'm wrong.
Yes, anyone else with
No,
different
you're
option?
right. This one is good.
Yes, alpha is the correct answer.
Yes, you
Right.
just made that one simple.
Criteria are the standards, measures or expectations. The written procedure represent the standard criteria against which the observation concerning segregation and respondent should be measured. Okay. So this is criteria. Okay, next question. Okay, now we have to select cause attribute. Yes, what is the answer?
Bravo.
Is it alpha? Bravo look like it. I'm going to choose alpha. We all should choose different just in case, so you'll explain it.
Yes, alpha. I'm sorry.
Okay, cause attribute we have to select.
I think Bravo.
Bravo. Okay. Yes, Tash.
Alpha looks close.
Okay. An excerpt from an engagement observation indicates that the travel advances exceeded prescribed maximum amounts. Organizational policy provides travel funds to authorize employees for travel. Advances are not to exceed 45 days of anticipated expenses. Organizational procedures do not require justification for large travel advances. Employees can and do accumulate large unneeded advances. This was the whole paragraph or excerpt from an observation. So, which one is the cause attribute? Advanced procedures do not require specific justifications. Advanced procedures do not require specific justification. Means why you need this advance. This is the reason of the difference, right? Or the cause. What is Bravo? Organizational policy is to provide travel funds to authorize employees. This is criteria. The policy word is already here, right? The cause is the reason for the difference between the expected and actual condition. Thus, the cause provides the answer to the question why and should be the basis for corrective action. The cause of the observation is that advanced procedures do not require specific justification. Okay. The policy provides for advances to authorize employees only. This is criteria. Charlie, employees accumulate large travel advances. This is the effect. Okay. What could go wrong? Accumulating large travel advances is an effect. Not clearing travel advances in a timely manner is also an effect. So the answer was alpha. Yes. Did you got it or needs further explanation?
Hamad, I'll tell you something with this question here. What can I say? I choose to my closest assumptions, but on the examination condition with stress and everything, like I would panic and because organizational procedure, I was thinking more of a condition, a criteria. Do not this, but then they have these specific criteria in place that they do not require justification. So, what's the cause? What's the reason for it? So that's how I reached to it. But I don't think I'll have all of that time to think in the exam like how you just did that just now. Like this was like a guessed answer for me, to be honest.
No problem. But while you will keep practicing in this way for all of these questions, you will be quick enough to reach to the correct answer. Just focus on the reason. For example, why this was happening, because the advanced procedures do not require specific justification. That is why this was happening.
Yeah, that's why they could have actually taken the and do it because management do not have a procedure in place.
Okay.
And now that you explain it, it's more clearer there.
Yes.
Why?
Yes. Why it was happening? Because of this. So this is how you have to correlate after selecting your answer, then it will be quick. Okay, so let's move to next question. Okay, I think this should be the last question for today, and we can discuss remaining question in the next session because this has been a long class today, and the concentration level also decreases. So let's do this last question, and then if needed, we will discuss the remaining questions again. But the other questions, remaining questions, are based on same concepts which we have already discussed, right? So question number 35 is the last question for today, and let's wrap it up after this question.
Hamad, I'm gonna go with Charlie.
Okay. Yeah, so if there is a conflict, we have to present both sides of the conflict, right? And report to the management. This is the point here. So Charlie is the correct answer.